how you can do audio recording in Padlet. So if you go to a Padlet and you would like to do some type of recording for your students so that way they know instructions, you'll just click the plus button on whatever column or wherever you want to put your audio recording. You will click on the ellipses, the 3 dots, to get extra options. And then from there, you want to click on the green audio recorder. You are ready, click on the microphone and give students your instructions. Hello students, this is your instruction for this assignment. When I hit the button again, it does pause it. So if there's something else that I need to go back and add to it, or maybe I needed to get a drink of water or do something in between, I can now go back and add more. Once you're finished, make sure that you comment on at least one other of your peers' posts. You may also indicate that you like someone else's post by clicking the heart below it. Now that I have my recording saved, I can click on playback, and that way I can listen to it and see if that is the recording that I like or if I want to start over and do another one. If I like it, I can go ahead and save. I hope you found this helpful and will think of things that you can do with your students.